Good morning, class, and welcome to Chapter 15 Weight Management. This will be part 1 of the lecture. So we turn to Chapter 15. 68.5% of adults in the United States are overweight. 35% are obese, and 6.4% are extremely obese. 17% of children between the ages of 2 and 19 are obese. Obesity is excess body fat. Obesity is excess body fat. Obesity is excess body fat. A person is obese when they are at least 20% above the desired weight for height. So obesity specifically means excess body fat. A person who is obese is at least 20% above the desired weight for height. Obesity and overweight are not the same thing. Overweight means above the population weight for height standard. So a person can be overweight without being obese. Overweight means above the population weight for height standard. So a person can be overweight without being obese. Body composition means the relative size of the 4 body compartments that affect the total weight. Well, 4 body compartments affect our total weight. So body composition refers to the relative sizes of the 4 body compartments that make up the total body composition. lean body mass, which is muscle mass. We also have fat, water, and bone. So our 4 body compartments are lean body mass, which is muscle mass, fat, water, and bone. Body mass index is the body weight in kilograms divided by the square of the height in meters. BMI less than 18.5 is underweight. 18.5 to 24.9 is normal. 25 to 29.9 is overweight. Let's say somebody has a BMI of 27, they're going to be overweight. 30 and over is obese. So less than 18.5 is underweight. 18.5 to 24.9 is normal. 25 to 29.9 is overweight. And 30 and over is obese. Now, obese is further divided into (30 to 35) we have obese. Obesity is divided into levels of severity. Anything over 35 is clinically or extremely obese. BMI of 30 to 35 is obese. Over 35 is clinically or extremely obese. 30 to 35 is obese. Over 35, clinically or extremely obese. Waist circumference and increased risk. A man over... Now, BMI as a tool, it's good for a screening tool, but it's actually a little bit flawed because it does not measure body fat. BMI is only a measure of weight in relation to height, and it does not measure body fat. So a bodybuilder who has a lot of muscle, they're going to have more muscle weight and they're going to have a higher BMI. And they could even be obese, classified as obese because of all that muscle weight. But they're not overly fat. That weight is not fat. So the BMI is flawed. It's only a screening tool. It is not the be-all and end-all that a lot of people think that it is. So that's part one.